Hello G friends, hello everyone, Mommy Ryan here. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here, so please don't go anywhere. So today we will be repotting my Codium variegatum gold dust protein. I bought this from Walmart as well as this big black plastic pot.
Welcome to Life with a GeeFam.
In here, I'm also gonna be putting my Dracaena Marginata. Therefore, I'm going to be putting 2 plants in this pot. Let's try and we'll see how this will turn out. Let's get started and repot with me, guys.
Okay. No, you put on sugar. No, Mommy, say hi. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Mommy, I'm speaking to the microphone right now. Okay, so guys, here's a spoiler alert for our next video. If she's gonna upload it or something. So yeah, spoiler alert. Here is a spoiler alert. This was supposed to be for Easter. And I put a little mustache on it. Just left this foot toe in there. And I just covered this whole thing black. Oh, they're already dry. And then I think I was supposed to color that black or something. So like that's that. Yeah. What is that? I have a surprise for you. Real flowers. The tiny ones. Here you go, Mommy. Ooh, say hi to the camera. Hi! Look over there!
Look over there. Hi.
Hi.
Show your flower. Aww.
Okay, come on, let's go. Okay. Ina, I have more flowers. I'm gonna bury these flowers.
Thank you. Hello guys, we're here in front of the house and this is the front door and that is my DIY spring wreath. I hope you have seen that video. And look guys, here is our plants, or here are our plants in one pot. It looks nice and pretty near our front door. That's it guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoy and like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please do subscribe and do not forget to turn on the bell for notifications so you won't miss any of our videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one, so stay safe and make good choices. Bye everyone!